Welcome to today's cooking show, and for you today we have something great, a cheeseburger quesadilla. All right, first thing you want to do is chop up about 12 ounces of bacon and start frying that shit up in a pan. And then you want about 2 pounds of 80/20 ground beef, and you want to season that up with a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper, season to taste. Then you want to fry these two until they're done, drain off the fat, and then you'll want to return it to the pan. But while we're cooking, we've got to make up a sauce. Okie dokie. Here is the sauce. Once again, it's a new camera, and I did my famous trick of not realizing the red light wasn't on until I'm about halfway through. But here we go. Here's what makes this up. You want 2 tablespoons of milk. 2 tablespoons of dill relish, and 2/3 of a cup of mayonnaise, and salt and pepper if you want. I decided not to do the salt and pepper on this, and then you just want to stir this around and pop this in the fridge. I'd say give it at least 30 minutes in the fridge to let everything kind of meld together. Okay, as you can see now, we've got the beef cooked, drained. We've got the bacon in there. And so now it's time to make up the rest of this. What you want to do is start off with 2 tablespoons of Worcester sauce. Or Worcestershire sauce. I can never pronounce it. Then you want to add about a cup of ketchup. And then you want to add 1/3 of a cup of mustard. Then a little bit more salt and a little bit more pepper. And then you just want to stir everything around, and you want to simmer this for about 5 to 7 minutes once everything's mixed. Just over a nice medium-low heat. Okay, now it's just time to add some of that meat mix to our flour tortilla. Add some of that sauce we made up. Then add some shredded cheddar cheese. And then just give this a fold over and time to go to the griddle. Alrighty. Then you just want to grill this a couple minutes aside till the tortilla's golden brown. And then we'll be ready to get it ready for to serve. All right, so again, a couple minutes aside till it's nice and golden brown. Oh, and I put the griddle to about medium high. Okay, and now it's time to give this a cut down the middle. And you do want to wait a few minutes before you cut it, and I somewhat learned this the hard way, because if you cut it too early and the cheese hasn't kind of cooled down, it can go everywhere. But that's basically it. Cut it into 4 pieces, and that's it. Cheeseburger quesadilla. Done.